Very common.
Very high tide. Ha?
Delikado noon litan eh.
Nabuang na.
Oh, bawal man ito rin nakapagpuan.
What's that, Daddy? It's very... The
Choppy.
wave
Choppy.
dangerous. And we don't have our life vest.
So, just to see that no boat will travel on that ocean because
Nain na lang yun. What do you think, Daddy?
No,
Is it-
if it's not safe, we can stop and look.
Yeah.
At least look.
just
Magtanaw na lang ta. See, remember earlier?
Yeah.
There is
there is no water here in the delikado eh. You know?
Yeah. Say hello.
It's very dangerous
The waves.
because the wave is very the current is already strong current.
Yeah.
We travel on that na
mga tawa na.
oh na awas pwede ka maka-onda matulong ka dito testing no?
Kuan ba?
Pero
Safety ba?
kung kita din bawat niya ba pero pwede kay lang ta tapos na ito